Sticky Mango Chicken Skewers. Start with the sticky mango marinade. Put the mango in a blender and add honey, sriracha or chili sauce if you're using it, garlic, ginger, cumin and coriander. Blend until almost smooth. Put the chicken in a bowl and pour over the mango marinade. Toss to combine. Cover and pop in the fridge for an hour to let the flavours develop. Thread the marinated chicken evenly onto the skewers. Heat a barbecue grill or char grill on medium. Cook the chicken on the grill, turning as you go for 10 minutes or until cooked through. Now for the salsa. Take a medium bowl and add mango, avocado, spring onion, lime juice, chili if you're using it, and mint. Season with salt and pepper. Stir until combined. Make these sticky mango chicken skewers your new summer barbecue favourite. For the full recipe, see the description below. For another great way to use mangoes, check out our barbecue prawn and mango mayonnaise video here. We love hearing what you think of our videos, so please hit like and give us your feedback in the comment section below.